Here we are today, folks, here in the GTA Toronto. We're doing a nice 18 by 18 porcelain tile in the GTA Toronto area, just in case you're all looking for leveling kitchen floors, bathrooms, tile installations, and also heated floors. We've been around 30 years now, and obviously this is what we do as professional licensed tile setters and also tile installers, whichever words and terms you know. So the homeowner has picked up a nice tile like this in Olympia tile. Most of you might know it. Nice 18 by 18 porcelain finish, shine look, not matte. So actually today we had finished all the tile installations, and we have a kitchen and hallway and entrance, which I'm going to do a walkabout here. So you can give us a call at 416-937-8115. I will come in and give you a quote, an estimate, give you all the details, all the information of starting and finishing your project right the first time, okay? So again, let me do a walkabout, and we do service the GTA Toronto. So people look, you can see a nice tight joint. Everything is nice and straight, very flush, very one sheet of glass. We have some door transition here, which we were a little bit higher. That's what everyone is concerned about. But we were able to slowly and gradually give it a little a slant on it. So let me go around this way so you can actually see it. So it's not a big eyesore. You don't have to put a T-mold or anything. Typically it's what you want. There is a 3/8 hardwood here, very thin, so the homeowner will probably eventually next year take it out, put a 3/4 inch hardwood, and he's going to want to probably take out this edging here and put it back straight, so we get one flush movement, smooth finish. Okay, I'll just head it over to the entrance. Same tile again, porcelain, 18 by 18. Everything is nice and straight. You put your baseboards, people, you don't have to put a shoe mold or a 1/4 inch or anything like that. Here the floors, we did rip out everything, and it was out of level. Everyone who thinks that their floors are straight, no. We have aluminum straightedges that are 10-12 foot long. We come in and we see the waves. So then again, if you do want a finished product like this, and you heard of also nightmares where, after the day the tile setter installed the tiles, it's all lippy, and you have to rip it all out. And I do get those calls. So people who are not sure, there's either scratch coat, orange Ditra, or dry pack, none of that soft leveling material. Check out our videos on precisionmarbleandtile.ca. Prestige, we are fine-tuned finishers in the tile installations. Kitchen, bath, basement, walls, showers, complete tile installations of all different type of tile. So here we have the bathroom as we're going in. Again, there is a pattern on the on this type of tile, so we do follow the arrow, and sometimes we don't, depending on the pattern of each tile that we are going to be installing. So marble, travertine, porcelain, ceramic, you name it, we install it. So here at the stairs, we do have a little bit of a height issue. They didn't want to correct the nosing or replace it or rip it out. So it worked out to the desire. Everyone has their own taste and situation. Again, give us a call at 416-937-8115 and we can come in and do all of this type of installations for you. 30 years in the trade. Again, heated floors, leveling is crucial for your floors. Must be straight. So anything that has chipboard or plywood, on all these hallways, kitchen entrances are all wavy, folks. Even if it's a brand new home, dry pack is the way to just finish and fine tune, getting it all straight. Okay. Then here, of course, the kitchen is going to be going in, and you know, your cabinets will sit on the floor very nice and very level. Okay, without any waves or 1/4 inch offset on the floors or 3/8. So again, you know, this is the way to go. This is what we do. You know, do it from the start. Rip everything out, level floors and tile installations over and over and over, job after job, year after year. This is the way to go. Any questions, information you're not sure of, any questions, give us a call at 416-937-8115. We service the GTA Toronto from Mississauga, Oakville, right over to Whitby, Oshawa, north of the city, Barrie, Muskoka, and so on, people. Okay, I'll let you go and keep on our videos and check out how we level the floors and tile installations the right way. Have a good day, and again, the number is 416-937-8115.